On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram collaborator problem. So if you want to fix the collaboration problem on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So just keep watching until the end. First step you wanna do, and it's very easy, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. And then go to the search bar and search for Instagram. After that, it will get you on this page. On this page, you will find this update option. If you found it, this means that you have to update your Instagram to see the collaborator or to fix the collaborator option on Instagram. When you click on it, it will start updating your Instagram as you can see. And that's it. It's very easy actually. And if you updated your Instagram and you didn't find the collaboration option, this means it's not available on your country yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.